In this video, I will show you how to earn passive income with a fascinating project called Agent Layer. This isn't just another crypto return on investment DApp, promising unrealistic interest rates. Agent Layer is a fully functional ecosystem with real, usable tools and an impressive 2 million active users. Agent Layer allows autonomous AI agents to collaborate seamlessly, ensuring ethical operations and decentralized governance, all built on the blockchain. You can, for example, ask one of the agents to book your next flight at the cheapest price, or have an agent write a complete software program for you. The sky's the limit. I don't have enough time to explain everything the agents can do in this video, just check out the white paper to read about all the possibilities. Okay, so how can you make passive income from this amazing platform? It's simple. You can buy a node and become a shareholder of this groundbreaking ecosystem. This Agent Layer's premium governance node will allow you to receive free agent tokens and a ton of other benefits. As a node holder, you benefit from daily agent token mining rewards, enjoy privileged governance rights, partake in exclusive protocol features, and gain preferential access to AI project pre-sales and much more. You don't need to run anything on your computer. The node is working on the Agent Layer servers for you 24/7. Starting at $800, the price of a node is set to rise as more nodes are sold, and right now, there are 5,000 nodes sold out of 20,000 available. The price of a node is going up with every sale, so you don't want to wait too long to get in. Here's a quick guide on how to purchase an APG node. Visit the Agent Layer website and connect your wallet. MetaMask is a popular choice, but you can use another wallet too. Click the buy button for the current price of $900 USDT, enter the referral code if it's not inserted automatically. Check the video description below to get my referral code. Next, choose your preferred network like BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum and so on. Select the number of nodes you want to purchase, confirm the purchase in your wallet, and wait for the node to be dropped into your dashboard after a few minutes. Once your nodes are active, you can sit back and watch the yields come in. These nodes offer passive income without any additional work on your part. If you own a node, you get an amount of free agent tokens every day. The initial reward pool is 200,000 agent tokens distributed daily based on the number of nodes sold. This means your yield will vary, but early adopters often benefit the most. The project includes a 6-month cliff and a 12-month vesting period for seed contributors, ensuring long-term commitment and stability. The token generation event is set for the end of June, with token listing planned for July. The token price will be around 10 cents, but this is only a starting price. Agent Layer presents a unique opportunity to get involved in a project that's not only innovative but also transparent and backed by significant players in the crypto space. With artificial intelligence driving the current crypto bull run, investing in a project like Agent Layer could be a smart move. But remember, every investment comes with risks, and it's crucial to do your own research. Agent Layer offers several impressive tools that are already live. AASX is a blockchain code auditing assistant. If you're a developer, this tool will help you audit your blockchain code for any potential issues. The Wallet Checker will scan your wallet for potential risks and malicious interactions. The Sentinel is an AI assistant similar to ChatGPT that you can interact with, helping you explore different crypto projects. There are also some fun tools like Tarot AI for tarot card readings and Astro AI for astrology enthusiasts. More tools are in development, promising even more utility in the near future. One of the most significant green flags for any crypto project is a robust white paper. Agent Layer's white paper is detailed and comprehensive, outlining the project's roadmap, tokenomics, and governance. It's essential to read it thoroughly to understand the project's full scope and potential. Agent Layer's team is fully transparent, with profiles available for all key members. Their board of advisors includes prominent figures from major universities and the tech industry. This level of transparency and expertise adds another layer of trust and reliability to the project. The community is already vibrant and active, with a strong presence on Telegram and Discord. The project is backed by major venture capitalists like Hashkey Group and UOB, just a few names that have supported giants like MetaMask, Stripe, Grab, and Avalanche. The executive team is fully doxed, bringing transparency and credibility to the table. This combination of strong backing and transparency makes Agent Layer stand out in the crowded crypto space. If you're as excited about this project as I am, make sure to check out the link in the description, visit the website, and engage with the community. Just remember, this isn't financial advice. As with any investment, it's vital to do your own research and understand the risks involved. That's all for now. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below or join my Telegram community. Until next time, and stay safe.